Mo jẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ́ fún orílẹ̀-èdè mi ilẹ̀ Odùduwà tó ń ṣàn fún wàrà àti fún oyin, ilẹ̀ tó kún fún àwọn akọni ọgbọ́n, ètò àti òye. Mo ṣe ìlérí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ ológo ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀, ìtànṣán oòrùn láti la ayé já nílẹ̀ Áfíríkà, láti gbé ilẹ̀ Odùduwà lárugẹ. Mo pinnu láti fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan fún ìlọsíwájú ìran Yorùbá. Mo fọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé n kò ní dalẹ̀ tàbí ṣọ̀tẹ̀ sí ìṣọ̀kan àti ìtẹ̀síwájú orílẹ̀-èdè mi ilẹ̀ Odùduwà. Èmi yóò fi gbogbo ipá, ọkàn, iṣẹ́, ọgbọ́n àti ìṣe mi sin orílẹ̀-èdè mi ní òtítọ́ àti lódodo títí ọjọ́ ayé mi. Gbogbo ìyànjú àwọn akọni tó ti lọ kò ní já sófo láti ọwọ́ mi títí dé ìrandíran tí ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn. Mo ṣe ìlérí pé ẹ̀sìn tàbí ìṣèlú kò ní yà wá nílẹ̀ Odùduwà. Tó bá wáyé bẹ́ẹ̀, mo lè lo ọkọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó kù sára mi láti fi ṣègbè àti jàjàgbara fún orílẹ̀-èdè mi. Ilẹ̀ Odùduwà, ìran Yorùbá, èdè kan, àṣà kan àti ìṣe kan ló so wá pọ̀ láéláé lágbára Elédùwà. Yoruba elders, wake up. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Please support the mission of actualization of Oduduwa Republic and let us be free. We want freedom for our coming generation. We want freedom for our children. We want freedom for our wives. We want freedom for our ladies. We want freedom for our elder ones. Now, how can Fulani, Igbo, Hausa, that has spent 20 years in Yoruba land to come and join Amotekun? The Oduduwa will never recognize such blood. The deity of Yoruba gods will never recognize such blood. Now, Sanwo-Olu, I can see you as a saboteur. We rule that no waterways should be for federal government. You use someone from the north to be the commissioner for waterways. Ẹ̀ta gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá alálẹ̀ yóò dà fún yín. Ọ̀dàlẹ̀ ni ọ́ ò Sanwó-Olú tó bá àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wà ní House of Assemblies lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pé kí Metiala kó wá join Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn nígbà tí a fi àparò sí abẹ́ tí a ń gbé àgbàdo. If they are claiming that they can be able to identify themselves, then do you speak Fufude? Do you speak Fulani language? Do you speak Hausa language? Wake up, Yoruba people. Yoruba, wake up now. It is time for you to be taking signs of Fulanis from Oduduwa land. Muhammad Murtala Airport must change to Lagos or Oduduwa Airport or Yoruba Nation Airport. Enough is enough. Let all those signs, Amadu Bello Way from the seaport, to be changed. Enough is enough. The Fulani are still boasting that Nigeria is the whole Nigeria, from north to sea, is their heritage. If it is their heritage, Yoruba people are not part of their heritage. So those of you kings sabotaging the effort of the people in diaspora, alálẹ̀ adá fún yín o. Nítorí náà, never can Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn work with anybody that is not Yoruba. It can never work. All the hunters, gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọdẹ pátápátá, ẹ má bá wọn fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀. Tó bá ṣeé ṣe, ẹ pe Sanwó-Olú lóhùn. Ẹ jẹ́ kó máa bá tirẹ̀ lọ. Ọ̀dàlẹ̀ abálẹ̀ kú. Can you see the Judas Iscariot of Yoruba land? The Bar Jesus of Redeemed Christian Church of God, the moronic professor, the Fulani errand boy, Yemi Osinbajo, the blood of innocent people shed because of your compromise will be upon you and upon your generation from now on till the end. If you are aspiring to be president of Nigeria and you know the truth about what is going on in Aso Rock, you refuse to let it out because of your own personal ambition. The blood of innocent people, both Christians and Muslims, that has been shed in the north, in the south, in the west, shall be upon you in the name of Jesus Christ. Now, there is no more Nigeria. Oduduwa Republic as a nation. Let us seek the help from Israel. I'm using this medium to call the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu, please come to our aid. Now the Fulanis have been let in through the north in Nigeria. They have been killing innocent people. When Nigeria army arrest anybody, they will let Boko Haram go. Buhari, or the person in Aso Rock, has released more than 7,000 Boko Haram back to the nation. Now they've given them police uniform. That is why you see SARS. They are among of the SARS. That's why you see SARS coming to the south to kill the stars, to kill the tomorrow of Yoruba generation. All SARS, most 97% of them now are Boko Haram. They integrated them back to the community. Donald Trump, if you want to know how to arrest a cow, arrest any minister in Nigeria. They will tell you the truth. Arrest any governor except Oyo State governor. They will tell you the truth because they are collected terrorists. Oshiomhole, hold the whole APC to ransom because he knew the truth that we've known. We've known that the person in Aso Rock is not Buhari that they voted for. And the blood of innocent people shed in Edo State shall be upon Oshiomhole and all APC, Tinubu, all Oduduwa. Now special message to State of Israel on behalf of Oduduwa Republic, Yoruba Nation. All Oduduwa Republic wants Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel. Please come and help us. What is going on in our land that is looming of war needs immediate solution. Dahuf Pitaron. If not, a lot of Christians will die. Only Israel and America and all Oduduwa in the whole world, in diaspora, can help. God bless State of Israel. God bless the Queen. God bless the Queen. And God bless Oduduwa Republic. I call Oduduwa Republic Mivakesh Benjamin Netanyahu Shleeres Tavola Zonu Akshav Tavola Zonu Dahuf Odmiat Iyemish Hama Ve Oduduwa Republic Rak Eres Ve America Ve Oduduwas Be Ulam Lazolano Biglal Yesh Mishhamad Ve Yoruba land and where Christian than Muslim than Yoruba Slamut. Elohim Lazol Eres, Elohim Lazol Queen, Elohim Lazol Oduduwa Republic. The book of Thessalonians, 2 Thessalonians, chapter 2, verse 3 says, let no one deceive you in any way, for that day will not come unless the rebellion come first, unless the revolution come first, unless people stand to fight for their rights, unless people take things to their hand and the man of lawlessness, which is Buhari, Tinubu, Osinbajo, and whomever that liken Osinbajo to Awolowo, such person will perish. According to the book of Proverbs, that whomever will try to correct and with stiff neck shall perish without remedy. Osinbajo will perish without remedy. Because he knew what is going on, all his hand are soaked with the blood of innocent people in the east. See what is happening in Okigwe. See what is happening in Ebonyi. They cover it up. They are killing people. You live in the north, you say to go into Niger Delta. May the Lord descend mightily upon this government and destroy their generation in the name of Jesus. Aisha Buhari, the most prostituted woman in the world, that saw the integrity of her husband because of money. The husband cannot be buried in the soil that he voted for because of money. You connive with Kabas. They took the dead body of your husband, a great hero of Nigeria, Lieutenant General Muhammadu Buhari. They took the body to Saudi Arabia. Now they gave contract to someone else to be ruling. And you are saying your husband is not like this. We know, I know when Buhari died, January 27, 2017. But I'm telling you now, according to this, Osinbajo, don't think because of your ambition, you open your eyes, you sold your soul to devil to let this nation disintegrated. Bàbá Obasanjo, please, the only remaining achievement that I'm praying that will happen in your lifetime is for Oduduwa Nation, Oduduwa Republic to be on its own before you go back. May the Lord continue to give you long life. Now, I implore all Yoruba youths, get ready for liberation from the Fulanis once and for all. All the governors that think that they can use Kogi system to win their states, talking to Akeredolu this time around, you must be joking. If you have that plan, you will not leave until that day. I'm telling you now categorically, and I'm saying it emphatically. Except you change. Don't be boastful that you don't need other people to vote for you. You want to use Kogi system. Come over. We know where your children are, where your grandchildren are, and even without touching them, know that the blood that you people are planning to shed will definitely cry from the soil and fight you and fight your generation. Those of you that knows the truth about what is going on in Nasarawa, that knows the truth about what is going on in Nigeria, and you allow the infidels, those people that call themselves jihadists, to be killing people irrespective of their religion, doing cleansing, killing people and occupy the village, because Buhari and his wife and others have sold Nigeria land to the Fulanis, but it will never happen. This is the reason why I'm saying that Oduduwa Republic must stand now. We must be liberated. God bless Oduduwa Republic. God bless the state of Israel. God bless the Queen, and God bless the King. Action, movement, Oduduwa, action movement. This is the time we must actualize Oduduwa Republic. Bye.
Hey, comment, share, ní pàápàá jùlọ, subscribe.